What's going on, everybody? Slang Dutchman here, and today we're at Groningen, and we're at a little festival train that we got. That they were saying like, hey, you can skate here if you want. Well, don't mind if we do. So we got the hose out a little bit. He got a 318. If he can do it, I can do it. The water is going back that way, so. Thomas is here with me and a few spectators. I also brought some cones and some pool noodles, and we got some scrap material there out of the bin. We stuck that into the pool noodles, and now we have a cone, which is sort of a clipping point, but then also with the noodle that we can hit and clip. So we're gonna have some fun with that. Both of our cars were running warm because there's no waiting for people. We can just send it. I got one problem though, as you can hear maybe. I punctured my tire, so that one is slowly leaking, unfortunately. So we got some more friends over. Well, before the GoPro shuts off because of too dark, it's doable now. It actually looks lighter on the GoPro than in real life, but that soon's gonna be changing. My tire is done. There's like, see what I told you, GoPro sees nothing. But that one is down to the canvas and is throwing sparks, ready to burst. But I was thinking this is only 15 inch, so if this pops, then it sits on the rim, and then I probably can't fit my jack underneath the subframe. So I'm gonna leave it at this and swap my tires back. Also, it's almost time, and this is Damien, his car, and this is Rick, his car. They also came out. They somewhat live close, but these are on the trailer. Pussies. No, but I have to drive an hour home, but they just come on the trailer, so they can probably send it a little harder. But it's almost time. I'm not gonna drive anymore. I've had my fun for today. I've kept everything in one piece because I would not love my car to. I would not like it if my car looks like this. But it's a small little crew, and just this is awesome. I think those were the tires.
Jezus, wat de fuck? Ja, wat? Hoor je niet van Robert? Bel die nog harder.
Well, there's tire debris everywhere. So we made it back home, 1 hour drive. Car held up fine. Apart from that, my cooler has melted. I need to put a relay in there. But anyway, we had a great time. I want to thank David for having us there, making it possible for us to drift at the Paradigm Festival train. And I really love those small underground, like more simple scenes instead of the, like I said, I think in the last video, like Midland. I don't like the wall. I like a little bit more
space.
Well,
open.
Well, this was tight, and the last one on the farm was tight as well. But it's a little bit lower speed, but it's more technical, more left-right. So that's a lot more rewarding to pull it off the wall at that low speeds. And I think it's way better practice than what Midland can ever give you. So I'm a big fan of spots like this. We might drift here again in the future, we might not, who knows. Hopefully we can bring a set of tires that doesn't run empty. For now, I want to thank you guys for watching. Link to the Discord when we have events like this, where we do invites and stuff like that, is in the description below. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Goodbye, guys.
The stranger, the truth is better than fiction.